my name is Liyuan. I'm a senior cell design engineer from ABEE in Belgium. As a technical coordinator for GIGAGREEN project, I need to make sure the technical work done in this project has to be correct and accurate. I'm also a work package 4 leader. In work package 4, firstly, we need to design the 10 amp hour punch cell. According to this design, we will upscale the cathode, anode, and the electrolyte, and then which will be assembled into final Pluton type cell. I'm very excited about the GIGAGREEN project because it deals with new ways of cell manufacturing process, including both aqueous process and dry process. And then in this project, we use ionic liquid electrolyte, which meet the target to make the high voltage and high energy density of third generation of lithium-ion batteries.